Charlie, what is that?
What?
Blocks?
Yeah.
What is it? What do they look like? What do the blocks look like? Looks like clothes and shoes. There you go.
Open it.
No, we're not going to open that one until afterwards, after presents, okay?
What is it?
What is it?
Paper dolls.
Or blocks.
That's cute. She can dress them up.
A piece.
Okay,
Somehow this interacts with these.
Huh.
last present. Yeah. Last present.
Who are these presents from, Charlotte?
Who gave you all these presents?
Papa.
Papa? Who
Papa.
else?
Papa and...
Mama.
And G-Mom, that's right. You say, thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, G-Mom.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you.
I knew a key.
You buried your keys, woman.
Keys.
Okay. There you go.
Pull hard. Some strong paper.
There you go. You're getting it now.
Oh, Papa.
Oh, what did you get?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
You have it.
Sorry, I didn't want the disdain to come out.
Habit.
What kind of Cinderella did you get?
You have a wand?
And the Cinderella
Oh my goodness.
thing.
One.
Isn't that a pretty Cinderella? Is she pretty? There's your one. Maybe I can help you out. Oh, and it's got like a little scene changer thing in there.
Mm.
I think it
Open
spins.
that one.
Great big knots. Awesome for dads.
Get some keys.
And here's the Cinderella.
Cinderella.
And who?
You need help? We'll get your keys. Where's your keys?
You're a nut.
She's got that 70s roll going on her forehead. Cinderella does.
Oh yeah.
The big claw bang.
She's trying to open that with those keys.
Uh-huh.
And here's the key. And here's the key now.
You need help with the keys now?
Daddy lock it.
Daddy locked it? I'm sorry, Daddy locked it. Here you go. Here's your wand. Look at your wand. I thought that spun.
It
Oh,
does.
it spins right there. Look
Ooh.
at that. And it's even got a C on it for Charlie.
Look at the wand, Charlotte. What do you do with that? Why don't you open the doll for her, Josh?
I want to open the doll.
Why not?
I want to.
Come on, Josh. Open the doll.
Why don't you want to open the door?
Because it's probably got itty bitty parts in it. That I just
Yeah,
know
don't be
about.
don't be afraid of parts.
I'm not afraid of parts. I'm just.
Charlotte, what does it do?
Princess.
Princess.
Does that make you a princess?
Can you do magic with that?
You say bippity boppity boo.
Princess.
Princess. Princess.
Oh, Haka.
You got hearts.
Ooh, I got.
She's talking about what you're opening.
Ah.
Closet.
Closet?
Is that her closet?
Is she in the closet? We're gonna try to let her out of the closet, okay?
Headed.
Stand by, Tater Tot. Daddy get his keys? Where's Daddy's keys?